Hello guys, and I'm back with another unboxing video. I did one on yesterday with the Pyramix and the Dino Cube. Yeah. Today we have another package, Rubik's Cube, so let's just open that up. Scissors. Some bubble wrapping here. First, we have the 1x2x2 Z cube. Let's just open this up. Here's what the box looks like back. And I think we open this from the bottom. Another box really hard to open. Finally got it open. Spins well, very smooth. And as you can hear, there's Velcro things right there, I think. And there's lines right there, you couldn't really tell, but my finger's going there. Oh yeah. Spins very well. So let's move on to the next cube. Here is the Shu cube. It's like the ball one. I'm not sure how to really pronounce that, but really easy box to open. I think it's exactly like the 3x3. Not sure though. A little dirty right off the box. Yeah, I can clean it up later. But not much of a difference to the 3x3. Not much. Spins the same. But feels like it's gonna pop and it's very loose. So yeah, that is it. Oh, there's a diagram here. I don't think I can really read this. Yeah. That side's pretty much the same. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And this can corner cut very well because of the technique of the balls. You can do this, but not, well, it's corner cuts better than compared to the other cubes I have. So yeah, that's it for today. See you next video.